Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. If you manufacture tires, belts, rollers, or seals, you probably use friction coating tools. Or your competitors do. That's because friction coating is a world leader in grinding tools for non-ferrous materials. Located in the heart of Midwest manufacturing country, ISO-certified friction coating ships 100% made in the USA tools to customers around the world. Each product they make is the result of extensive research and development to find the right materials and design to get the job done more efficiently. Many case histories exist of friction coating experts collaborating with customers to tailor specific tool designs that unlocked productivity opportunities previously unrealized. Friction Coating's diverse catalog of tools is ideal for rough or finish grinding, along with texturing, profiling, and grooving. Applications include composites, urethanes, natural rubber, wood, foam, and even ice. Rotary burrs and routers manufactured by Friction Coating and sold under the trademark Saburrtooth are used by doctors, dentists, artists, and craftspersons. Friction Coating's engineering staff can convert your sketch into a final CAD design, be it one-off or large-scale production. As a turnkey operation, Friction Coating has a full complement of equipment, assuring you rapid delivery, consistent quality at a fair price. To schedule a consultation or place an order, visit their website at frictioncoating.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.